Welcome viewers, you're now watching Hornbill TV. From shifting political loyalties to rising the face of OBC leadership in Bihar, the journey of Samrat Chaudhary is nothing short of high-stakes political transformation. Once part of rival camps, today he stands at the helm of power in a state long dominated by coalition politics. But who is the man behind this rapid rise, and what does his journey reveal about Bihar's changing political landscape? Samrat Chaudhary, who was born into a political family in Bihar, entered into politics, and his entry into politics was almost inevitable. Starting his career with the Rashtriya Janata Dal, he quickly made his mark, becoming an MLA and even serving as a minister under Rabri Devi. But his journey did not stop there. In a state where political equations constantly evolve, Chaudhary shifted to the Janata Dal United, adapting to new alliances and gaining administrative experience. This phase laid the groundwork for what would become the most decisive turn in his career. That turning point came in 2017 when he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, a move that would redefine his political trajectory. So within a few years, he emerged as a key OBC face of the party in Bihar, climbing the ranks swiftly from state leadership roles to ministerial positions. And his growing prominence was not without turbulence. From assembly confrontations to leading aggressive protests against the state government, Chaudhary remained at the center of Bihar's political discourse. A leader equally defined by controversy and also visibility. And then came the breakthrough, from Deputy Chief Minister to ultimately taking charge as Chief Minister. His rise marked a significant shift, signaling the BJP's intent to assert stronger leadership in Bihar, traditionally shaped by leaders like Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav. And today, Samrat Chaudhary scripts history as he takes oath as Bihar's first Chief Minister from the Bharatiya Janata Party following the exit of Nitish Kumar, marking a defining shift in the state's political power structure. Have a look.
मैं सम्राट चौधरी
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं बिहार राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धा पूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा तथा मैं भय या पक्षपात अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगा। Oath of secrecy.
मैं सम्राट चौधरी
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि जो विषय बिहार राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा अथवा मुझे ज्ञात होगा उसे किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को तब के सिवाय जबकि ऐसे मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में
ऐसे मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में
अपने कर्तव्यों के समयक निर्वहन
अपने कर्तव्यों के निर्वहन के सम्यक
के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो।
के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो।
मैं प्रत्यक्ष अथवा अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से संचुतित या प्रकट नहीं करूंगा।
Samrat Chaudhary's rise is more than a personal political success. It signals a tectonic shift in Bihar's power equation, where sharp strategy, social calculus and timings have the power to redraw leadership at the very top overnight.